Hey there! Welcome to Life Noggin. You likely consider your body your property, right? Well, you might be surprised to learn that the law isn't entirely clear whether you do own your body. Apparently, you can't be you and own you at the same time, which is really quite confusing. Things get a lot more intricate when we look at your genetic makeup, your DNA. DNA, or deoxyribonucleic acid, is the genetic information that dictates how our bodies grow, function, and reproduce. Humans share 99.9% of the same DNA, but a peek at your specific sequences can reveal information about your health, personality, family history, and even your relationships. Each human's complete DNA sequence is different than anyone else's. It's incredibly personal, and experts have said that your genetic information is the most valuable thing that you have. Just like you may have a social security number, home address, and credit card info, this information should be guarded carefully. But some of you humans are totally fine giving your genetic information away to corporations, research groups, and other third-party organizations. So far, 12 million of you have sent away samples of your DNA to consumer genetic testing companies to find out information about your own genetic makeup. By agreeing to the terms and conditions and sending off a vial of your saliva, you're giving these groups the right to your DNA. You're allowing them to sell this information, send it to research groups, and do any number of things thanks to some incredibly broad wording in their fine print. And if your genetic info leads to some wild medical breakthrough, you'll get nothing, which is pretty rude if you ask me. So does this mean they own your DNA? Do you own it? People, organizations, and judges have been debating who owns DNA for years. But after a court ruling in 2013, it was decided that DNA cannot be patented under US law, which means no one can own someone else's DNA. And it's not even clear if you own your DNA, which also contains your family's DNA. Legally speaking, natural phenomenons and laws of nature cannot be trademarked or solely claimed. This is the same reason why someone can patent the element gold and then claim that all the gold on Earth is theirs. So while these companies can't own your DNA, they can own the sample that you gave and the information they derive from it. And I bet there are lots of hands you wouldn't want your genetic makeup to fall into. For example, while it's technically illegal for employers and health insurers to discriminate based on genetics, it would be difficult to prove that's why they fired you or didn't take you on as a customer. And unfortunately, the legal future of your right to genetic privacy is unclear. So while no one may own your DNA right now, who knows if that'll still be the case 10 or 20 years from now. So have you ever done a DNA test? What did you find out? Let us know in the comment section below, or tell us, what should we talk about next? Curious to know how we can stay young forever? Check out this video.
When your DNA replicates, mistakes can be made that lead to changes in the DNA sequence. These mistakes are usually fixed, but sometimes they slip through the cracks, leaving your DNA damaged, and this decay has been directly linked to aging.
As always, my name is Blocko. This has been Life Noggin. Don't forget to keep on thinking.